Hello everyone, welcome back to Master Designs. In this video we're going to draw Xeno King Vegeta from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. If you guys must know, King Vegeta is actually Vegeta's father, and he's the ruler of planet Vegeta himself. And basically, when he first saw his son, he was proud of how powerful he had become. Where in the Dragon Ball Super Broly movie, when he found out that his power level is stronger than him, he had Broly exiled, and even pledged a rebellion against Frieza. And his planet actually got erased by Frieza himself. And I don't know what happened to him after that. Let's just say that in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, he was an ally for Mechikabara, and he was the keeper of the Dark Dragon Balls. And in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, he has a signature move called Dark Final Flash or something. And basically, when I found out that King Vegeta was still alive, and during Super Dragon Ball Heroes, when Trunks found out that King Vegeta was alive, he sure was surprised. Even his father, Xeno Vegeta, found out about this. It was a bit scary at first when he found out his father was on the side of Mechikabara and the Dark Dragon Balls. I don't know why he was holding possession of the Dark Dragon Balls. Let's just hope in the next season there will be an opposite side called the opposite side of the Dragon Balls called the newly purified Dragon Balls, as in the Light Dragon Balls. Okay, let's just stop talking. So we just draw his head and his beard. Okay, yeah, there's his beard. Now here's his cape. Now here's his gem. Okay then. Here we go. Stupid wind. Why won't it just leave us alone? Alexa, play my recently played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
Alexa, who is King Vegeta?
Here's something I found on the web. According to LaughingSquid.com, founded by Noel Biederman, aka the King of Infidelity, the service boasts a worldwide membership in the millions.
Okay, there's his body here. Now we just draw his tail.
All of fame to be the star.
song. Here's his fingers here. Fingers 1, 2, 3, 4. And last but not least, we just have to draw his cape. And there we go. That's how you draw Xeno King Vegeta. Man, now that's something. Now that's bold. Brave. Remember that I drew Dark Shenron? Good times, good times, good times. Anyways, that's how you draw Xeno King Vegeta. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And based on your comments below, I'll be excited on what awesome character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.